Tell me, which one are you? Are you a cooker, a cookies, or a cook-s betterest? Yeah. Is the curry goat. Alright, so guys, see him there. This is the shrimp. See him there, top chef. Bad chicken, yeah. Just turn it, make them see say cook and nice, no? Fish in a pot of fry. This is his pasta. Hi everyone, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Harley and welcome back to the House of Love. If you are new here, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn on your notification bell to all so you never miss an update when I upload a new video. So guys, as you can see, my background look different. I'm not down in my house. We're up at daddy's shop. See there? Yeah, we're up at daddy's shop because today is Thursday, guys. With that being said, he's still doing cooking on Thursdays. He does it every other Thursday now, so he takes orders for food on Thursdays, every other Thursday, because he doesn't work on Thursdays. So we are at the shop, guys, me and him and Mateo, and he'll be doing the cooking, and I'll just be vlogging and showing you guys what he's doing. He's actually outside right now. I'm going to go out there and show you guys and let him tell you guys what is up. So stay tuned, watch the full video, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Alright, so guys, see him there. Yeah, he might put on him rice, guys, because he started prepping from early. About what time you get up, be 3:30? About 3:30. And he prepped what he was going to cook. So he's cooking. Tell him where you cook, be.
I have curry goat, curry shrimp, fried chicken, and fried fish, and stew pork.
Yeah, with rice and peas and pasta.
Gungo rice.
Gungo rice. Sorry, gungo rice. So let him deal with people. See him there. You want to show them?
So just have a little finishing.
Yeah, he's just gonna finish up. So that is the pork that we cook down. That is the curry goat.
See that?
This is the shrimp. Okay. Him not fry the chicken yet and him not cook the rice yet, but that is going to get done now. The pasta in the fridge are cool, guys, so I can show you that. But I this way I deal with same rice spot there. Yeah. Yeah, people, pot a bubble on. See what I go on? Put in some salt in the pot. Yeah.
Smell that?
People, actually you can smell it through the phone. You see, if all the curry goat, it smells so good. Me not really fan of shrimp and them stuff, and me not deal up in the pork business. The curry goat is banging. As me say, me not really deal up in the pork. But people ordered it, so he cooked it. Yeah, people, chicken in a pot of fry. Yeah. See him there, top chef. Big up you. Yeah. Just turn it, make them see say cook and nice, no?
So don't go over so.
Here ya? So remember me can cook too, yeah? Yeah. Rice nice and lovely.
Yeah, man.
Big up.
Yeah.
Alright guys, see the pretty chicken there? Yeah. Pretty chicken. Yeah, let me just put some more chicken in the pot, y'all. Just watch what go on. Big chef in the kitchen, you know.
Yes, Papa.
But people can call me out here to test the chicken and him not give me no chicken. So me I wait. But yeah. And him buy me a beer too, guys. Yeah, your girl is chilling and drinking a beer. Me soon show no my beer. But I this a go on.
Get a youth of talent, no?
More in my bag? Wow. Alright, people, I eat that. Then look what way give me for test. Alright, we just see that the lower one. It hot hang. Bad chicken, yeah. But if me a dance, guys, you don't know it bad. Me I tell you though. Bad chicken. It tastes so good. The seasoning is right through it. Big up. See my beer here, guys. Yeah, mango beer. Alright, guys. So this a guan. Fish in a pot of fry. Yeah. Lovely. Our bad chef God. See him over there, so. Tell him what guan.
That's a go on over there. That's a go on. That's it. I'm sure it's all right.
Yeah, he can cook.
Let me see it.
People, enough people can cook, but I don't know if people can cook. If you don't get what I mean, you understand me? Some people cook and you can't eat it and say, alright then. Some people cook and you eat it and you say, whoa. And then some people cook and you say, no man. Banging in a real life. So, tell me which one are you? Are you a cooker, a cookist, or a cook-s betterest? Yeah, I think I said it go. I just made up that word. But see him there. Yeah, my nice husband.
Yeah, in our kitchen.
Alright guys, so I'm almost finished. It's just the pork left to cook down and make gravy, and then he will start sharing. So we'll soon forward again, people. Alright guys, so I'm gonna set up him stuff now to start mark the boxes and start sharing. I don't mind the pat them on the ground. I don't know what Jamaica this. Yeah, I also see the sharing and how he presents his food. Yeah, I'm gonna bring them in another igloo there. But at least we are dealing with, guys. What's nice, husband? Alright guys, I'm gonna share some food. And I never shown him pasta. This is his pasta. Yeah. That is it. Him over here a guan. Alright guys, so that is something to try when I'm curry shrimp. So I'm gonna try it and tell you how it tastes. I'm not really a fan of these things, but it tastes good. If I saw. It tastes good. Tastes like fish.
Belly full, man. One belly full. You hear that?
Lovely.
Yeah, you hear that?
Bad chef in a them town. One is a hustle on the app, not? So guys, I will be voicing over this part of the video because there was music in the background and I did not want to get copyrighted for it. So as you can see, after Daddy left to deliver his food, I took some food for me and Mateo. I took a little bit of chicken, a little piece of chicken, a whole lot of pasta. I took an egg because I wanted to try it. I haven't had egg in a while. I took a whole lot of rice and gungo because it's my favorite, and a whole lot of gravy. Me and Mateo had this. Mateo didn't really eat a lot, so I ate it, and then I just chilled until Daddy came back. And right here we had a shot of beehive, and then we just chilled and went home for the rest of the night. Enough love from the House of Love. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.